How to change phone number on Deliveroo. First of all, starting on the Deliveroo app, you'll want to click the top right hand corner where you see the little person icon. That'll bring up your account where you'll want to click on account details. Next, you'll see a section where it says phone number, then it will have the green edit button on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on there. Then you want to type in the new phone number you want to change to on your Deliveroo account, obviously making sure you have access to this number. Ideally you have it on your phone that you're currently using while doing this. So once that's typed in, click done, and then at the bottom of the screen it'll ask you to send a verification code. Go ahead and click on that button, then it should automatically send through to your phone number the code. So go ahead and input the code there. You can just paste it if you're on the iPhone, etc., or you can go ahead and type it in manually. Then it's going to say your number has been verified. Then you want to go ahead and tick it on your location so that when the delivery rider shows up, they'll be able to phone call you on that number. So go ahead and tick all those addresses there, then click confirm, and then you want to click save on the top right hand corner, and then you're done. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.